Let's take a look at the new record feature in Adobe Presenter. I'm going to select this record video over here. And what happens is you're going to get a preview of yourself on your video screen, of yourself talking. You want to make sure your mic is working. I can see that down here. If your settings aren't correct, you can click the little gear icon up above and check your input settings. Right now it's set to my headset and it looks like everything's working properly, and the camera on my computer is working properly. So you can even plug a camera into your computer if you don't have one built in. When you're ready to start recording your narration of your PowerPoint that's going on in the background here, just click the record button to start. And then just go ahead and go through each slide as you're recording. And you can just talk through your recording as your video is going. So as your video is going, you can just talk through each slide and click the next button when you're ready to move on. Say whatever you need to say about the current slide that's up and continue to click next. And when you're done, all you have to do is hit your Shift and N key to stop the recording. Your project starts and your window opens up that allows you to start doing some editing. Here's my editing window. I'll go ahead and
you can just
play.
talk through your recording as your video is going.
So now my video is playing.
As your video is going,
you'll notice that everything here is in yellow. What that means is it's presenter only. Only the presenter is showing, but I want the background to show. I do want my PowerPoint presentation to be showing, so that's where these other buttons come in handy. So if I want to show like maybe my video on the left, I'll click this blue button for video on the left, or I have the option of showing me on the right. So I'll say video on the left. So at this point,
just talk through each slide and click the next button when you're ready to move on.
So there's my slides playing in the background. Now if I decide at this point that I want my video to disappear entirely, the green button will be presentation only, and at this point
whatever you need to say about the current slide that's up and continue to click next.
So now it continues to go with just the PowerPoint presentation playing. So at the very end of my video, if I want my video to come back, like say at this point here, I can say let's bring the video back on the right, and at that point
hit your Shift and N key to stop the recording.
I'm ready to go. So now I have a couple options here. I can decide, you know what, I have different backgrounds, so I'm going to open this up by clicking on this little branding icon. And I can say, you know, I want some water droplets or different things happening here. So I have all these options. And then when I decide, I can also come in here and click.
Talk through your recording.
I can also decide, you know what, I want to have my name in here, so I'm going to put my presenter title in here. So there's going to be branding. My name's going to appear at the bottom of the video here. So when I'm ready to go, I can do publish. I'll give it a title. Click yes. And now I have the option of uploading to YouTube, saving it to my computer. All I have to do is select my output options. I have a YouTube account already created, so it's automatically going to load there. And your video's done and it's ready to go.
Welcome to Marine Mammals, also known as Marine Biology 101. Our main topics of discussion will be dolphins, seals, and killer whales. In conclusion, all your information can be found in the Marine Mammals of North America book you bought last Tuesday.